I've been trying to develop my own language of work, but not really focused on delivering this type of language, but improving from day to day. My name is Vasco Fragoso Mendes, a woodworker / architect / designer, and still figuring out. I started working with wood in 2015 when I was still in architecture school. I started learning with an old master craftsman, and I was really triggered and amused by the fact that I could design and then make the piece straight away without any constraints, without any doubts. When I first got the invitation from Servànt, I was really flattered and excited about the opportunity. I remember passing by the store and was really amazed by the Servànt storefront. My initial idea, it's exactly what we're going to do, to showcase a big dining table in the front door. Besides the dining table I'm proposing, I'll be showcasing a few pieces that meant something to me. So it's a bit of my story until now. I'm excited to see how the space and how everything is going to merge together with such an amazing pieces they have in store. I hope the viewers will see a bit of my path along the years, with some of my earliest pieces and my latest one. And in the end, they get a sense of this guy can make stuff, and let's see what he can do.